Hello, dear students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the research topics or projects that you can work out in your academics on concrete. So these topics are latest topics. So there is a scope for the publication also. So first is mechanical and impermeability properties of bamboo fiber reinforced concrete before and after wet and dry cycling. So in this paper, what they have done is basically they use the bamboo fiber and they treated that bamboo fiber with our calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH2, to remove surface impurities, enhancing their uniformity and stability. So the results are like concrete reinforced with treated bamboo fiber exhibited improved compressive and tensile strength compared to plain concrete. So results are good. The addition of treated bamboo fiber reduces the water absorption rate of concrete. So again, enhance impermeability. So that is good. Concrete is becoming impermeable. And they have carried out the wet and dry cycle, and then they have tested the cubes. So like wet and dry cycle, I will give the link of the paper in the description box where you can study in detail. But here they have used the wet and dry cycle like they have like 25 degrees Celsius water. In that they have put their cubes for 20 hours, and then they have like 4 hours they have keep it for room temperature, and then they have keep the cubes in the oven for 90 degree Celsius for 20 hours, and then again 4 hours to cool, that means at room temperature, and they have done this cycle for 14 days. For 14 cycles they have carried out. So what you can do in this, you can check the long term durability, like you can extend the duration and number of wet and dry cycle. So they basically gone with 14 days. You can go more. Alternative treatment methods, like they have used the calcium hydroxide, so you can use any other pre-treatment. Second, enhancing the strength and the environmental performance of concrete with pre-treated crumb rubber and microsilica. So in this paper, they investigated the effect of pre-treating crumb rubber. So जो tire wastes like rubbers are there. So they have treated this with NaOH, and they have added microsilica also, and they perform the mechanical and environmental performance of the concrete. And the findings suggest that these modification improve the workability and strength. So indicate the potential for broader structural application and enhance sustainability in future concrete formulation. So you can making the concrete like environmental friendly. So you are using some waste material and making the product. So what you can do here, so you can basically apply some coatings of nano sized particle, and you can check their behavior, or you can adjust the proportion of crumb rubber, microsilica, or you can add some other component also, so that you can enhance the strength of the concrete. Next is fiber reinforced recycled aggregate concrete with crumb rubber. So here they have basically used some fibers, recycled aggregate, and crumb rubber. So the application of fiber reinforced rubberized recycle aggregate concrete is almost a new concept in the construction industry. So the more research is required on different top properties of RRAC, FRAC, that is fiber reinforced rubberized recycled aggregate concrete, before establishing them as an alternative to natural aggregate. So that means you can compare here. You can change the proportion also. You can go for the durability studies like acid attack, or you may go for high strength concrete design using these components or materials. Next is durability and mechanical performance of glass and natural fiber reinforced concrete in acidic environment. So there is a glass fiber and there are natural fibers, and they have tested in acidic environment. So in this paper they have added 1% treated coir fibers, rice husk fiber or glass fiber, and they combine this with 5% silica fume. They found that improved compressive and tensile strength of the concrete. Notably, glass fiber reinforced concrete exhibited the most significant enhancement. For acidic environment, they have prepared the sample and submerged in acidic solution where the pH was 3 and 5, and they kept the sample for 28 days. Also, they have performed the SEM that demonstrate that incorporating the silica fumes enhance the microstructure of the specimen, contributing to improved strength. So what you can do here, so you can change the duration of exposure to acid environments to assess the long term performance and durability of fiber reinforced concrete. So basically you can change the duration. You can explore different treatment methods for natural fiber to further enhance their compatibility and performance with concrete matrix. Thank you. I have given the links of all these papers in the description box, so you can go and read it, and you can do some changes. I have suggested the changes, but you can do some changes and you can carry out your research work, your project work, or mini project even. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe Real Civil YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.